my soul.
Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. It's been a really long time since I've vlogged, I feel. हाँ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया है, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट ज़्यादा कुछ था भी नहीं शेयर करने के लिए. जो भी एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें हो रही थी मैं आप लोगों के साथ ऑलरेडी शेयर कर चुकी हूँ. बट दिस वीक इज़ गोना बी सुपर एक्साइटिंग. आई हैव अ न्यूज़ टू शेयर विद यू विच इज़ अ लिटिल बिट सैड, अ लिटिल बिट ओके एज वेल. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट्स अ good or bad stuff, but yeah. And also next week I'm going on a trip. प्लेस रिवील नहीं करने वाली हूँ, आपको नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में वैसे भी समझ ही जाएगा. बट आई डू नीड टू गेट रेडी. आई नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई हेयर, माई फेस, माई होल बॉडी. नीड टू डू द ग्लो अप, वेकेशन ग्लो अप. सो ये सब मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ये व्लॉग में. So yeah, let's get started. I just washed my hair, so it's in a drying phase right now, and I really want to shave my face. I know ये मुझे पहले कर लेना चाहिए था before hitting the shower, but I forgot about it. And अभी मुझे चपका shit shave करना था. Plus I am gonna shoot today. Today is a shoot day for me. I want to shoot a bunch of content this whole week. I'm gonna do a lot of shoots ताकि जब मैं vacation जाऊँ मेरे पास already content हो to upload in that week and this week itself. So yeah, a lot needs to be done this week. तो पहले शेव करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. And I'm not gonna explain you the process of shaving because I have mentioned it way too many times कि मैं कैसे करती हूँ. If you want some kind of a detailed video about it, I'll link it in the iCard above. आप लोग वो देख सकते हो. So ये fast forward ही होने वाला है. लास्ट वीक एक्चुअली मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के घर पे गई थी और वहाँ पर आई यूज माई मॉम्स रेटिनॉल क्रीम. शी आई डोंट नो विच ब्रांड इट वॉज. शी बॉट इट फ्रॉम अ फार्मेसी, लाइक अ लोकल फार्मेसी. आई पुट द पिक्चर ओवर हियर and I use the ordinary one, and the one my mom used was 0.05%. I think मेरा वाला जो है वो 1% retinol है, but with squalene, mixed with squalene. I don't know what happened. I used the retinol she uses. Maybe it was too strong for me. I'm not sure what happened. But I started peeling right over here near my nose, near the mouth area, and over here as well. I'm not sure what happened. Is it the weather? Is it the retinol? I'm pretty sure it was the retinol I used. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any idea or have faced something similar. It was a little weird for me. So I'm like packing on a moisturizer. We're planning to take next week. We were actually planning this trip for the March month. Anniversary वाला जो हम लोग I think मालवन गए थे, ये वाला जो ट्रिप था वो मार्च में होने वाला था. And we were supposed to go with friends. And you know how that works. एक को छुट्टी मिल रही थी, एक को छुट्टी नहीं मिल रही थी, because of which we totally delayed it to the next month. And we thought March में, you know what, let's just both of us go somewhere. I wanted to go somewhere for anniversary and not sit at home. So we took that trip, and finally this trip is happening. Can you guess the location? Let me know in the comments down below. Where do you think we are going on this trip? I'll drop plenty of hints आगे वीडियो में. 3, 2, 1, boop. All nice and done. It's looking so pretty. I really like it. Nail transition थोड़ा ज़्यादा cheesy हो गया ना? I know. It's getting really late. I need to start shooting. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup and yeah, start with the work.
2 hours later.
Just got done with the shoot और आज क्या पोपट हुआ है मेरा. I did all the setup, background, lights, camera, everything was done. I did my makeup and light चली गई. 9:30 बजे आई है लाइट and I was like why. I did my makeup. Otherwise तो मैं कल ही कर देती, but मेकअप कर दिया था तो आई थॉट एक तो भी कुछ कर लेती हूँ. आई डिड अ रील एंड उसमें मैंने मेरे बाल स्ट्रेट किए. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट एंड लुक एट द रिजल्ट्स. नाउ आई एक्चुअली वांटेड टू शूट अनदर वीडियो बट मेरे को लगता नहीं वो हो पाएगा. प्रॉब्ली आई विल डू इट टुमारो. सो या कल भी शूट डे ही होने वाला है. फॉर नाउ, गुड नाइट.
The next morning.
Another day, another video. I feel like ये whole week मेरा शूट करने में ही जाने वाला है. जब भी हम लोग ट्रिप पे जाते हैं, this is the main headache. I have to plan आगे के shoots as well, edit everything, thumbnail. तो बहुत ज़्यादा like previous week बहुत ही ज़्यादा hectic हो जाता है. Everything is set up, the background is done, the lights and everything is done. So yeah, अभी मेरे को शूट करना है. I forgot. I don't think मैंने आप लोगों को वो न्यूज़ दिया है, right? Let's do it right now. Okay, the news that I wanted to share with you guys is I am letting go of my studio space, and this is where I will be shooting. This is my house only. The hall area I have like decorated it to look good in the background and stuff. And there are multiple reasons why I am letting go of that studio space. सबसे पहला reason is I don't stay there. I live over here, right? So I used to go there only to shoot videos and stuff. And every time I used to go there used to be a lot of mess, dirt. पता नहीं वो area वैसा था कि वहाँ पर बहुत ही जल्दी dust और dirt हो जाता था. So every time I used to go there, I don't know, मुझे ज़्यादा productive feel नहीं होता था. I used to feel like मैं थक जाती थी वो सब करके, and then I used to sit and shoot. इसके वजह से मैं वहाँ जाना कम कर दिया था मैंने. ऑल्सो वहाँ पर कबूतर का बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. हम लोगों ने पूरा वॉल टू वॉल नेटिंग किया था, जहाँ पर भी ओपन एरिया था वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने नेट लगाया हुआ था. स्टिल pigeons are so freaking stubborn. They still used to break through inside and पूरा गंदा करके रख देते थे. That I used to clean. And the third thing is पानी वहाँ का बहुत ही ज़्यादा hard था. I make hair videos, hair wash videos and everything. I need good water ताकि मेरे बाल खराब ना हो. I used to feel very hesitant using that water because it was so hard. Yeah, वो सारे videos फिर मैं यहीं पर shoot करती थी. I thought, what is the point of getting that space if I'm not feeling comfortable and not feeling happy shooting over there, right? So that's the reason I decided to let go of that space, and I will be utilizing my whole area as my YouTube studio. So I definitely need to jazz up the hall room. वो है near future में plan. अभी के लिए तो यही मैं make do कर रही हूँ, which is looking nice. I'm pretty happy with the way I turned this space into my background. I really like the fairy lights and everything. Adds a very nice, sexy, soft look. I really like it. So yeah, this week वो भी काम है. मुझे वो सारा सामान वहाँ से यहाँ लेकर आना है. I need to clean that space and give the keys to the owner. So this week is the last week I'm gonna be seeing that space. I have to say bye bye to that space as well. बहुत सारा काम है ये week में. अभी I'm really getting late to shoot. बहुत सारा shoot बाकी है. So let's start shooting. Done with the shoot. I still have some time, which is great because मुझे पार्लर भी जाना था आज. मेरे को पता नहीं था कि मैं टाइम स्क्वीज कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, बट yes, I still have some time so I can go to the parlor. पार्लर में मुझे मैनिक्योर कराना है, पेडिक्योर कराना है, वैक्सिंग कराना है. हाफ लेग करूँगी, फुल हैंड एंड अंडर आर्म्स एज वेल. अदर स्टफ आई लाइक टू डू नॉर्मल वैक्स से, बट अंडर आर्म्स आई लाइक टू डू रिका वैक्सिंग. ये सब मैं घर पे करती थी, बट it's been 6 months. I like to do it once in a while ताकि सारे dead skin सब निकल जाए. And yeah, I like to do it once in a while. So I thought vacation भी आ रहा है और बहुत सारा काम भी है ये week में. I don't want to stress myself. So I'm going to the parlor to get it done. In my studios right now, just trying to get stuff जो मैं easily यहाँ से carry कर सकूँ. We just have 1 week to vacate this place and we have a lot of stuff. Majority of the stuff तो आप लोगों को खाली खाली लग रहा होगा because majority of the stuff हम लोग लेकर जा चुके हैं, but we still have a lot of stuff that we need to carry. तो जो मैं easily carry कर पाऊँगी आज मैं वो सब लेकर चली जाऊँगी. And we have these big stuff like the mirror and this thing. इसके लिए तो मुझे help लगेगा. We also have the fridge that we need to take. उसके लिए भी मुझे हेल्प लगेगा. सो वो बड़े बड़े चीज़ों को छोड़ के छोटे छोटे जो भी चीज़ है आज मैं वो वेकेट करने वाली हूँ. Plus, I'm gonna go home and empty the two storage areas. जो भी room है, we have two rooms, right? One is a master bedroom and the second one is like a half BHK. Both of them have the balcony area. Balcony area के नीचे बहुत सारा storage है, and it's filled with stuff that we majorly don't need. So I'm gonna vacate everything, create space, because यहाँ से जो मैं stuff लेके जाऊँगी मुझे वहाँ पर भी space चाहिए, right, to keep stuff. So that's the reason I'm gonna vacate everything and make space for the YouTube stuff. I have a lot of packages that come in. वो सब store करने के लिए भी मुझे जगह चाहिए. So that's what the plan is for today. As you can see, I still have to take these stuff and the room is a mess because AC निकाला तो इसका सारा कचरा सब यहीं पर है. I'm not gonna do anything to this. I'm gonna let it be because सारा सामान vacate होने के बाद I'm gonna give it a good clean. अभी सब चीजें लेके चलते वक्त एनीवेज और खराब होएगा. तो once everything is nice and empty, the room will be cleaned as well. This is what I'm trying to tell you. We have put the net everywhere, but still there is a pigeon that's trying to get in. Do you see it? You see it? And they always find a way to get in, even though it's netted. Like, how? It's trying so hard to get in. See? Look at it, look at it. Look at it. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Look at the amount of mess I have in my living room, which I need to take care of. Oh god, shifting and getting rid of stuff just takes a lot of energy, and oh my god, this is the amount of stuff that I need to get rid of, and this is the amount of stuff that I need to keep. What? Hello, good morning. The day has finally come. I'm gonna wash my hair today. It lasted pretty long though. I'm very impressed, but I miss my curls. And hair straightening also means lots and lots and lots of heat damage. What my hair really needs right now is a deep treatment. So I'm gonna use a restorative hair butter from Earth Rhythm. Now this one has pea protein, muru muru, and rice ferment in it. Look at the texture, super lightweight and creamy. I'm gonna damp my hair just a little bit. Now the website says to apply it on dry hair, but I like to damp my hair a little before applying any hair treatment. I'm gonna take this much amount and spread it all over the length of my hair. Don't apply it on the roots, but coat the length from top to bottom. This hair butter boosts your hair's natural hydration by retaining moisture onto your hair's surface. It also minimizes damage caused by heat styling, which my hair desperately needs right now. It reduces damage while giving your curls more definition, shine, strength, and reduces frizz as well. The great thing about this product is you can use it multiple ways. You can use it as a deep conditioner or leave in, it's on you. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna let it sit for a good 2 hours. Tab tak I'll also put on some face mask, multitasking while I wait. Did you know that Earth Rhythm has a separate CG section on their website for curly girls? I didn't know about it, so I was pleasantly surprised. You don't see a lot of Indian brands create products that are meant for curly hair, so I'm happy that it's changing. Also, all their products are sulfate and paraben free. Plus, they are plastic neutral, which means they recycle as much plastic as they use in their operations. I washed off the face mask once it dried. My face is feeling nice and clean now. I'm gonna hop in the shower and wash off the hair butter as well. My hair feels so soft and hydrated. Next, I'm gonna use Muru Muru Butter Shampoo Bar by Earth Rhythm. This is how it looks like. I have wet the shampoo bar and then rub it in your palms and then massage it onto your scalp. You can rub the soap directly on your hair as well, but I like to do it this way. It definitely lathers well. Use some water to work it in. The Muru Muru butter in it coats coarse curls, making them more supple and manageable. This shampoo bar has extremely gentle surfactants derived from coconut oil. It improves hydration, moisture, and texture, protects from dryness and irritation. It also deeply conditions hair and reduces further dryness. This is such a great travel friendly option. It's small and easy to travel with, plus they also send you a tin to store the soap in while traveling. I'm gonna wash the shampoo off. My scalp feels so clean and yet it's not super drying, which I love. I'm gonna style my hair as usual and be back once my hair is done. And my curls are back. They're looking so good, so nice and juicy. And look at the volume that I have. I love it. I have nice defined curls. It's soft to touch, which I really like. And yeah, yes, I miss them. I miss them so much. They're looking so good. Let me know in the comments down below what looks good on me, straight hair or curly hair. I know majority of you guys are gonna say curly hair, even me. But yeah, do let me know. I would like to know. There are few curls that are wonky, as you can see over here, and a little frizzy, but heat damage hai. It's gonna take few washes to recover completely, but this product has done such good job. I love it. I love it. I am definitely gonna pack this for the trip, and you should get your hands on them too, because Earth Rhythm is running a buy one get one sale on their website and app, and they're easily available on Nykaa and Amazon. And that's it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog over here, and if you like this vlog, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next, and if you want more vlogs from me, वो भी बता दो मुझे comment section में ही. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, share it with your friends and help my channel grow. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were slipping away.